After so many years of mingling, if I still can't become your friend, if I can't chat with you and be happy, if I can't be at ease because of empty talk, tell me, how can I be your friend if I can't laugh and cry together with you? If I can't sleep after telling you my secrets, if you to me, me to you, cannot trust each other? Tell me, how can I be your friend if you have gathered sorrow and pain deep inside? You blame someone while I praise. You rush around only visiting the sick and don't stop where happiness exists. Tell me, how can I be your friend? One day you speak of love, the next day you pour poison on love. Finding fault in everything, you run far away. Tell me, how can I be your friend? You complain about fire when the sun is shining, while your friends laugh and rejoice in happiness. In the cold you pull someone away from the fire. If you are happy, how can I be your friend? How can I be your friend?